Human Touch Healthcare is a course that we provide scholars coming through our program to open them up to or reconnect them to interpersonal skills before they go into their technical programs. The 6 modules of Human Touch Healthcare are emotional intelligence, empathy and compassion, communication, cultural competence, teamwork, and ethics and integrity.
With Futuro Health, it's a multi-step process, which the first step is the Human Touch Healthcare course, which is more like a broad course that teaches prospective healthcare professionals how to act in the healthcare field and like kind of what is expected of you as a person.
It's more about just being personable and hospitality to people than it is also just like the basics of human anatomy and things like that. It's just how to talk, how to communicate, how to be empathetic or use your emotional intelligence to like your best of your abilities. So I've really been interested in it because I think that's a big part of healthcare that people don't really notice or talk about.
The Human Touch course has definitely given me more context. Obviously, there's a lot of emotional intelligence and empathy that is supposed to be inherent when you're coming into healthcare. But through the Human Touch course, I've learned more of like the actual terminology, the policies, the more intricate natures of the healthcare.
It's actually a very comprehensive course because there's a human health care aspect of it, the human health care search, which teaches you basic communication, interactive skills. So it was a very eye-opening experience, education which I would not have had unless I had money to go to school of some sort.
I feel that right now, the healthcare community and the healthcare environment, it really needs people who are there to really show that empathy. That's just what I want to do.
The very first thing Futuro Health offered was a human touch healthcare program, and which gave me a very detailed overview about healthcare and how it is impacting many people's life.
It helps with empathy, it helps with caring, it helps with patience, with understanding, active listening, for sure active listening, and letting them know that whatever they're going through, it's important to both of us, and I'm there to help them.
I love the Human Touch Healthcare course. It was a refresher on how we healthcare professionals should be around our patients. Even a simple act of listening and a simple act of having a conversation with somebody can make a change. That's what I want my patients to know.
A lot of the training that I received with Futuro Health was to be a better listener, to be a better problem solver, how to be more mindful of someone's cultural differences as well as maybe their understanding of how maybe certain processes go.
It has helped me be able to interact with people more and build up my empathetic skills as far as how to talk to clients and how to connect with them in order to connect them to the resources that we have for them.
They can show a student how empathy should be shown. I couldn't have been more impressed. So thank you to Futuro.
We really believe the Futuro Health classes on human touch healthcare are really well aligned with our mission, our philosophy, and there's really no better training for caregivers in what we're all about.